What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to edit, view, access the Htaccess file into your WordPress website dashboard. So normally you can access this important configuration hidden file from your file manager on your server, okay? On your PHP, on your cPanel, but how to access this file from your WordPress dashboard, and matter how to edit this file from WordPress dashboard, okay? This is what you're gonna learn to this video, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose international sites' favor. So let's get this started. First thing, let's navigate your WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, you can go to wordpress.com or to yourdomain.com plus wp-admin, okay? All you have to do. Now, log in with your credentials, normally email and password. Now, review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over plugins and click on Add New Plugin submenu. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to Search Plugins field, we're gonna type Yoast SEO. No worries if you're using another SEO plugin, nothing to worry, we're just gonna install this plugin to access the Htaccess file, okay? Click on Install Now and click on Activate. After editing the Htaccess file, you can delete this plugin, okay? Nothing to worry. Now, you're gonna be able to see that the plugin is now working on your site. Scroll it down, okay, review the left sidebar of menus once again, and next to settings you're gonna be able to find the Yoast SEO button, okay? Hover a mouse over it and click on Tools, okay? Submenu. Right here on Yoast Tools, you're gonna be able to see this field. Scroll it down, and right here we have Import Export, File Editor, Book Editor, Optimize SEO Data. We're gonna click on File Editor, okay? And right here we have two important files to edit. First one is the robots.txt. This is very important for SEO. We have a tutorial explaining how to work on it, but we are looking, if you scroll it down just a little bit more, you're gonna be able to see this guy right here, Htaccess file, okay? And right here you're gonna be able to edit the Htaccess file. All you have to do, of course, do not delete the content. I just deleted for security reasons because it's a hidden file for the site. But after doing your change, you can click on Save Changes to Htaccess file. After saving your changes, if you do not need Yoast SEO plugin, you can go to the Yoast plugin options, okay? Or go to your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins, click on Plugins, scroll down, find the Yoast SEO plugin, click on Deactivate, and click on Delete. This will not delete the change or undo the change you made on the file and save it, okay? Nothing to worry. It's just a way to access the file. After this, we are good to go, okay? Just a note. Work on Htaccess file only if you know what you are doing, because it can create a lot of issues on your site if you do not do it properly, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, for Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, or game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!